Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the weeks 9 and 10 video response and written discussion 5. The title is Thinking Critically, Time Magazine's 1933 cover of Adolf Hitler. Now the first thing you need to know about this assignment is that it was created as a response to feedback I received from our peers, our weekly communication that we engage in regarding the assignments, what works and what doesn't work. And I had some really great constructive criticism about those 4 peer evaluations that you have to write. People thought they were saying the same thing over and over again. So I thought, what can I do? And I came up with this assignment. So this is one assignment that covers 2 weeks. And what will you do in this assignment? Well, let's scroll down and let's look at the directions. The first thing you want to do is to read this overview very, very carefully because it provides context, important background information for this assignment, and it also has an important source in a link here that you will need to read. Okay, then you need to proceed with part 1 of this assignment, which is due in week 9, and it is due Sunday, April 14th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m., the very last minute of week 9. So what you're going to do is you're going to write a 3-page essay in which you are going to argue for or against this contention here, and I'm going to let you read it. I won't read it to you. You have the job of reading it very carefully to yourself so that you understand it. The contention pertains to this 1933 cover of Adolf Hitler on Time. This was the first Time cover of Adolf Hitler. Okay, so you want to read that very carefully, and you'll write a 3-page essay in response, and read the directions very carefully. There are 3 sources that you need to quote from, and they are detailed here. Now, what will you do in the next week, week 10? You are going to respond to a peer posting. So it's a response to a peer posting. It is due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, April 21st, 2024. This is another 3-page essay about one peer's posting. So you have 2 options about how to respond to a peer's posting. You have option A or option B, so read these very carefully. I won't read them to you. I'll ask you to read them to yourself very carefully, line by line, and if you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox. Now, you do want to make sure that you quote from the 6 sources I have listed here in the writing prompt for A, one choice about how to respond to a peer's evaluation of that contention, and you also have to include these 6 sources in the writing prompt for B. All right, any questions or concerns? I'm here, and I do have additional resources here that will help you with the quoting. You do not have to access them. They are optional, but I think you'll find them quite helpful in reviewing English 101 information about how to quote, how to paraphrase, and how to create a works cited. So again, I'm here if you have any questions or concerns, or you can come here to Home, and you can scroll down in Home to this office hours icon. Right here, click on it, and you'll find my office hours, and I'll be happy to chat with you one-on-one in Zoom or face-to-face in my campus office. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, I am here, and who am I? I'm Nunu, and I'm your friendly teacher guide.